Welcome to the best picks. The best Spider-Man Lego is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the world of Spider-Man alive. With a range of sets available, fans of all ages can enjoy building and creating scenes from the Spider-Man universe. Whether you're a seasoned Lego builder or new to the brick world, these sets offer a fantastic opportunity to engage with your favorite superhero in a hands-on way. Number 5. Lego Marvel Miles Morales Mech Armor 76171. Get ready to scale up the action with this awesome Lego set. It's perfect for young superheroes who love to build and play. This set includes a buildable mech with movable limbs. It also comes with extra long electrowebs to zap the bad guys. Place the Miles Morales minifigure into the cockpit of the supersized mech. Then, you can relive favorite movie scenes and create your own adventures. The set includes a large web that fits in the hands of both the mech and the minifigure. Smaller webs can attach to the mech's legs and elsewhere. It's an exciting gift for budding superheroes aged 7 and up. When the action stops, it looks super cool on display in any kid's room. This building toy stands over 4 inches tall, making it perfect for hands-on role play. It's also durable and looks great on display. What we like. This set features a cool, movable mech, perfect for dynamic play. It includes the Miles Morales minifigure, allowing you to recreate iconic scenes. If you're looking for a gift that combines action and display value, this is a great choice for any young Spider-Man fan. What people say. It is very poseable and has many points of articulation. The web pieces come in a cool trans-blue color. Miles Morales is also a great figure and his hood piece is made out of a hard plastic. His legs are molded out of 2 plastic colors and I've been playing with this figure for hours. He fits neatly into the mech and doesn't move around when played with. Number 4. Lego Marvel Spider-Man vs. Carnage 76173. Get ready for action with this amazing Lego set. It features iconic characters from the Marvel Universe, perfect for sparking imaginative play. This set includes Spider-Man, Carnage, and Ghost Rider minifigures. Kids can create endless stories with these classic heroes and villains. Ghost Rider's car is super cool, with a removable roof and flames. It even has a 3-stud shooter. This car is ready for high-speed chases. Kids can build, play, and display this set. They can role-play superhero adventures and create their own exciting stories with it. This set is ideal for kids aged 7 and up. It's a great gift for birthdays or any special occasion. They will love it. Ghost Rider's car looks great on display. It measures over 7 inches long, making it a perfect addition to any kid's room. What we like. This set brings together Spider-Man, Ghost Rider, and Carnage for epic battles. The Ghost Rider's car is a standout feature, with cool flames and a stud shooter. If you like classic Marvel characters and exciting car chases, this set will provide hours of fun. What people say. The characters, Spider-Man, Ghost Rider, and Carnage, are incredibly detailed and really bring the Marvel Universe to life. The Ghost Rider car is especially awesome, it looks sleek, has some serious attitude, and fits right into any superhero city scene. You can have a normal-looking charger, or put some fire pieces to make it look cooler. Number 3. Lego DUPLO Marvel Spider-Man Headquarters 10940. Introducing the Lego DUPLO Marvel Spider-Man Headquarters. This set is perfect for young superheroes. It includes everything they need for exciting adventures. The set features 3 superhero figures, Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ghost Spider. They're ready to team up and save the day. Kids will love playing with them. This playset offers endless opportunities for imaginative play. They can work together, share missions, and have fun. It's a great way to encourage creativity. This is a fantastic gift for kids aged 2 and up. As they play, they'll develop important skills. It's a gift that keeps on giving. The headquarters is easy to build and provides lots of fun. It measures over 7 inches high, 4 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It's the perfect size for little hands. What we like. Designed for younger builders, this DUPLO set is perfect for preschoolers. It includes Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ghost Spider, encouraging teamwork. If you have a little superhero fan aged 2 and up, this set is a fantastic way to introduce them to the world of Lego. What people say. The set includes several iconic characters, such as Spider-Man, Green Goblin, and Mary Jane. The buildable Daily Bugle building is highly detailed and features multiple floors and rooms. The set includes many accessories and play features, such as Spider-Man's web shooters and Green Goblin's glider. Number 2. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man's Drone Duel 76195. Get ready to take the battle to the skies with this awesome playset. It includes 2 minifigures, Spider-Man and Vulture, ready for action. This set lets kids attach Spider-Man to the drone using a web. They can imagine all sorts of adventures, in the air and on the ground. The buildable drone features 4 rotors and 2 stud shooters. It's the perfect way to bring the Marvel movie action to life. This set is a great gift for Marvel movie fans aged 7 and up. It's sure to be a hit for birthdays or holidays. The LEGO components meet high-quality standards, ensuring they are safe and easy to build with. They are designed to be consistent and compatible. This versatile playset integrates easily with other LEGO Marvel building kits. It provides young superheroes with endless imaginative play possibilities. What we like. This set features a thrilling drone duel between Spider-Man and Vulture. It includes a buildable drone with stud shooters, adding to the excitement. If you are looking for a set that takes the action to the skies, this is a must-have for any Spider-Man collection. What people say. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man's Drone Duel building kit is an excellent choice for fans of Spider-Man. The set is easy to assemble, with high-quality pieces that fit perfectly. The included minifigures, Spider-Man and Vulture, are detailed and add a lot of character to the play experience. The drone is well designed, adding a fun, interactive element to the set that encourages imaginative play. It's durable and offers great playability, making it enjoyable for both kids and collectors. Nothing was missing from the box, and the instructions were clear. Overall, this set makes a perfect gift for Marvel enthusiasts, combining fun, creativity, and quality in one package. Los minifiguras son excellence. Un gran añadido a la colección. La construcción del buitre estuvo muy chévere. Destaca mucho como minifigura. Minifiguras creo que exclusivas que no he visto en ningún otro ser, a pesar de que el drone no salió ni en Homecoming ni en No Way Home es una excelente construcción para que juguen los niños o bien tenerlos de colección, ya que adorna muy bien tu repisa. Number 1. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man vs. Mysterio's Drone Attack. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this LEGO set. It's designed for young builders to develop their imagination and building skills. This set includes Spider-Man, Nick Fury, and the villain Mysterio. They're ready to jump into action and stop the bad guys. Mysterio is using his drone to steal a ruby. Help Spider-Man and Nick Fury stop him before it's too late. With a special starter brick, the building process is quick and easy. It helps youngsters strengthen their skills while having fun. The set includes a buildable SUV, perfect for epic adventures. It's the right size for small hands to pick up and play with. What we like. This set is designed for younger builders, with a starter brick to get them building quickly. It includes Spider-Man, Nick Fury, and Mysterio, and a cool SUV. If you want to introduce your child to LEGO with a fun and easy-to-build set, this is a great option. What people say. The set includes 3 detailed minifigures, Spider-Man, Mysterio, and Nick Fury, each adding a lot of excitement and storytelling potential. It is cool that it shot the discs out and the truck wheels rolled around. Easy to assemble with the instructions. Workable for a youngster. Legos are good brain stimulators, and this set can with all the pieces instructions as well as properly bagged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.